Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Checkmate token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Checkmate is the native utility token powering a blockchain gaming ecosystem focused on strategic community-owned games, beginning with the viral chess-based title Anisys gaming ecosystem token. Check is designed as a central economic and governance layer for a multi-game network incubated by Anomica Brands, anchored by NHS. Its flag application is to NHS, a spell-based chess game developed in partnership with chess.com, which has garnered over 100 million views. Multi-purpose utility. The token facilitates in-game purchases, tournament entry, staking for rewards, and community governance through proposals. Checkmate project institution rating is 4.1. Checkmate token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 348.96 million. Check token. Check token is listed on Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Git.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.